Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to thank everyone for the subscriptions and everything. You guys have pushed me over 1,000. I appreciate it so much. I will be having a giveaway soon. I just have to figure out what I want to do for it first. But again, I thank you guys so much. I cannot believe how fast the last little bit went, and it's amazing. So thank you guys for all the subscriptions. And yeah, this video is a paint by number from Victoria's Moon. I will have their website linked below in the description box, as well as a coupon for, I think it's 10% off. But I'll have the details for the coupon in the description box. I have already done this video once. I don't know what happened to it. It disappeared. I don't know. It got deleted or something. I don't know what happened. So, yeah, we're going to do this again. And hopefully this time it doesn't disappear on me. So, when you open it up, you get a few things in here, and the first thing, you do get some paintbrushes to use, and you can see you get some fine tips on there as well, which is great. And then you also get some of the tools needed for hanging it once you complete the canvas. Now, of course, you'd want to get it framed before hanging it up. And, you know, this is just in case, like if your frame doesn't have stuff to hang it with, and I think, I'm not 100%, but I think you can order frames from them as well. Like you can have it come framed. So I'm pretty sure that you can do that. There's two options on there. The second thing you do get a key on here, and it shows you the number on the canvas, as well as, I'm assuming this is the paint number, but I'm not 100% sure. It could be something else. I don't know, but it has those numbers there. But then it also shows you the picture in black and white, but at least you know what picture you did order. I ordered the Galaxy Lion, of course, because I am a Leo. And but once it's, you know, filled in with all the colors, it'll look completely different than that. Then you get your paints, and they have them in this little foam holder, which is, I think, great. Keeps them all together. And you can see all the different numbers on the paint. And I've never done a paint by number. Of course, I've done like color by numbers, but not paint by numbers. So this will be interesting for me. I'm not much of a painter, so I'm hoping this will be easy for me. 'Cause yeah. So the canvas is really soft, and it just feels really nice. I love how this canvas feels. It does come around a foam core. It unrolls really easily, and you know, put it under your bedroom mattress, put it under your mattress, and it'll flatten out super quick. You know, just leave it under there for like a day or two, and you're good to go. Put it under some heavy books if you don't want to put it under your mattress. I'm going to show you the numbers on there so you can see they're quite clear. And you can see some of them are really small, so those fine tip brushes are going to come in handy. And I know it's going to be hard to see because, you know, it is a cream colored canvas, so it's a bit difficult, but you can see the lion right here. And I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to see how this looks once it's finished. I am super excited to try it. And then over here, you've got your numbers and keys on here. So just to show you, you know, your number one, what the color is. But of course, you know, you've got your numbers on here as well. So you can basically just go by this, you know, just take out your number one, go in, find all your number ones and paint them and move on to your next, if that's how you want to do it, which is probably how I'm going to do it. Just so I'm not switching paintbrushes so much, I think I'll do one color at a time and find all of that color. Now, I would suggest, if you're right-handed, start from the left and find all of the numbers and move your way to the right so that you don't smear the paint and you don't have to wait for it to dry to do all of one number. Same if you're left-handed, I would start from the right-hand side and move to the left. Just to make it a little easier so you're not switching paintbrushes, you're not smearing your paint or anything like that. Now, of course, after each number, you're gonna have to let it dry before you move on to the next, just so that you don't smear it. But if you have other paintbrushes and you wanna fill in one whole side, go ahead and do it that way. So this one is the Galaxy Lion. I cannot wait to get started on it. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, check out the description box below for their website and a coupon code. And I believe she said the coupon does not expire, so you guys can use it whenever you want. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.